Now, the other continent that has begun its coronavirus fight to try and contain the spread of this viral infection is Europe. Italy has reported about 17 deaths and more than 600 cases of the novel coronavirus infections. The northern province of Lombardy remains the worst affected. 14 of the 17 deaths were reported in just this one province. In the last 24 hours, there's been a 50% spike in the number of positive cases. Right now, 10 Italian towns are under a lockdown, and more than 50,000 people have been quarantined in an effort to try and control the infection. Even the governor of Lombardy has isolated himself after one of his aides reportedly had contracted the infection. The schools remain shut in Veneto and in the Lombardy province. And also public gatherings, including church masses, have been suspended as well. Italy's tourism industry has taken a hit, with many calling it the biggest crisis for the industry in recent times. The United States has also interestingly issued a level 2 advisory asking its citizens to exercise extreme caution. The bookings for the month of March are being cancelled over fears of the virus, and experts are estimating a loss of about €200 million due to ticket cancellations alone. The tourism industry accounts for about 13% of Italy's GDP, and with tourist hotspots such as Rome, Sicily and Venice reporting a major dip in bookings, chances are Italy's GDP will be affected in the foreseeable future. And also sporting events have also taken a hit due to the viral infection, especially Italy's flagship football league Serie A. 5 matches of the Serie A will be played behind closed doors. This includes the much-anticipated clash between the title rivals Juventus and Inter Milan. The situation in Italy has also triggered fears of a possible larger outbreak in Europe. The porous borders have given rise to calls for suspension of travel to Italy, but the government has asked people to not give in to panic and listen in to the health department.
Ci è stato proposto anche di chiudere e di sospendere il Trattato di Schengen. Abbiamo cercato di spiegare che chiudere i confini, perché questo significava chiudere tutto, avrebbe procurato alla nostra nazione un danno irreparabile, irreversibile, economico. Sarebbe stata una soluzione peraltro non sostenibile, non praticabile.